At Farmer Clara's chicken coop, the sun had barely risen and there was Rooster Rudy already. "Cock-a-doodle-doo! Wake up, everyone!" But the hens were tired. Every single morning it was the same. What a shock to wake up like that. "Rudy, we need to talk," said Hen Penny, her feathers fluffed and sleepy-eyed. "Waking up to that shout is too much. What about our beauty sleep?" Rudy, full of pride, puffed up his chest. "I'm the official alarm clock. That's how it's always been." The hens gathered under the mulberry tree and organized the chicken coop uprising. With signs made of leaves and feathers, they chanted, "Less noise, more respect. We want to wake up calmly." Rooster Rudy was confused. No one had ever questioned his crowing. That night, he sat alone and thought. Was he being selfish? The next morning, silence. No cock-a-doodle-doo. The hens opened one eye, then the other. And then, they heard a soft melody.
Good morning, and the sun's shining bright. But everyone wakes in the way that feels right. With laughter, with peace, with a gentle cheer. Together we start a new day full of cheer.
It was Rudy, singing. The hens flapped their wings with joy. "How lovely! Now this is how we like to start the day," said Penny. Rudy had learned. Listening to others is also a beautiful way to sing. And from that day on, at Farmer Clara's coop, the mornings began with respect, empathy, and a sweet good morning song. The cock-a-doodle turned into a tune, and everyone joined the rhythm of the heart.
Good morning, and the sun's shining bright. But everyone wakes in the way that feels right. With laughter, with peace, with a gentle cheer. Together we start a new day full of cheer.